it wobbles. That gear is doing this. This is a lot of Honda Bond. Not necessary, folks. Don't do this. It's not good. You don't need that much. It's just a waste. And it can cause trouble. That is a beautiful pattern. Hey, welcome to the Putty Mod YouTube channel. What we're looking at here is a Honda S2000 AP2 differential with a 4:10 ratio and an Osgiken limited slip differential. This Osgiken limited slip had gotten knocked out of spec about 15 thousandths. That's a huge amount, and it was not easy to do that repair. Not any shop can do it, but you know, we have that experience of making chicken salad out of chicken, and we did it. We managed to save this very, very, very expensive LSD, so it can go back out and give good service, and this track monkey can go back to monkeying around. All right, stay tuned for some more fun here at the shop, and we'll talk to you soon.